Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Otter AI for productivity in 2026. If you want to save time, stay organized, and manage your meetings and notes more efficiently, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, you can start recording meetings, lectures, interviews, or personal voice notes with just a few clicks. Next, use the record feature during conversations. Otter AI will automatically convert speech into text, allowing you to focus on the discussion instead of writing notes manually. After the recording is complete, open the transcript and review the AI-generated notes. Highlight important points, edit any transcription mistakes, and rename the conversation so it's easy to find later. Now use the search feature to quickly locate keywords, project names, or action items across your transcripts. This saves time when you're looking for specific information. If you work with a team, share your meeting notes directly from Otter AI so everyone can stay updated without sending long email summaries. Finally, make it a habit to organize your transcripts, review AI summaries, and archive completed meetings. Keeping everything organized helps you stay productive and makes important information easy to access whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Otter AI for productivity step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.